Hi guys, how are you all doing? I want to say welcome back to my channel again. The recipe I am preparing today is the seafood okra. So it's just going to be fish and prom, or fishes and prom rather, and no meat is coming in. Okay, here I have my stock. This is salt, and this is crayfish. This is prawn. I have Titus fish here too, and this one is croaker fish, and this is Alaska fish. These are just the seafood that I'll be using. Then I have tomatoes, onions, and pepper. Then this is the okra. Then I'll be adding this oil to it. So let's just go over to the kitchen and start the prep, and it will be done soon in no time because there is no boiling of meat. It's just fish. As soon as I'm able to cut the fish, and that's it, then the okra, you will see the kind of style I'll be cutting the okra into. Now I'll be cutting the okra. The okra is already washed. This is how I cut the okra. So the fish is ready, so we're going to go to the preparation of the soup proper. At this stage, the fish is already in the pot, and I'll be adding the chopped pepper and the onions with little water. Sorry, I did not show you the quantity of water that I added, but let's just say a glass of water is what I added. So let's see how the fish is doing. So at this stage, I'm going to add the tomatoes. Then I'm going to add the oil at the same time. This is the prawn. I'm adding it right now. So as soon as it's done, our soup is about ready. So I'm adding the crayfish. I'm not sure we need water. So when it boils up now, we'll pour the okra and give it 3 minutes. We'll be done. I'd love to add the roux, but I don't know if I have. Let me see. I still have a roux, and I'm adding it to it. So I'm going to be adding the okra at this stage. And here we are. In the next 3 minutes, the soup is ready. So I've tasted for salt, pepper, and it's just on point. The soup is ready. We've come to the end of this video. Please do subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share to your friends, and if you like the video, make sure you thumbs up. God bless you. Keep basking in the joy of the Lord until I come your way with another video. God bless you.